I love Selena Gomez, but I can't. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel. It's your girl Katana, and I'm back with another video.
I gotta choose someone, then it must be her. She been here since day one. I guess I'm
in the car again. Okay, we always in the car. Let me know if you guys are enjoying these vlogs. I feel like you guys haven't been really responding to much of it. I don't know, but we're gonna do some laundry today. Ooh, I forgot my list. I need my list. If I go to the store and I forget every single thing that I need, I'm gonna be pissed. So let me go get the list before I do this. Okay, I got the list. We'll jump into doing laundry. I'm not gonna record that part because I can't hold the camera and carry a big load of laundry and detergent all at once. I'm gonna head to Dollar Tree and then get some things for school because I do need to do school stuff. Like, I've been taking these online classes for like skincare, natural skincare, and like soap making because I want to learn how to make my own soap. So I got, I just realized. You guys are gonna think I'm dirty. Holy shit. This morning, like around 9 or something, I did my whole phone thing when you stay on your phone the whole day or whatever. And I did that, and after that I ate breakfast. But usually in the morning, right when I get up, I wash my face, I brush my teeth. I'm missing all the spots. I'm gonna have to just go back around. The situation is that I didn't brush my teeth. Anything on my mouth? That's so dirty. I don't even have any gum in here. Oh my god. This is what happens when I don't do my normal routine. See, like, there's so many people here. I might have to just walk in and just see. I might have to go to the store first and then do laundry. Oh, my teeth look so gross. Maybe if I just don't talk to anybody. I feel like a f***ing slob. I might have to get some gum and some mouthwash and then brush my teeth when I get home. This is just gonna be a school shopping vlog. I literally hate when I put like all my good clothes in my dirty bag. Well, at least I have a towel. So it's not the end of the world, because I did throw my towel in there, but it's not the end of the world. I should have just did it yesterday, but I didn't. So anyways, let's go into Dollar Tree. I found some brush strips. I'm so mad at myself for not brushing my teeth. So the first thing I need is some gloves. I think this should be fine. Something like this, just to keep like my candle or soap making stuff together. Wearing a steel spoon, measuring cups. I think I can do a wooden spoon, but I don't need the one with slotches. Or I can do a steel spoon. There's one right here. Perfect. These. Oh, these is fine too. Oh, these are microwave safe. But I don't know about using this in heat though. This is a 2-pack, or I can get one of these. I'm trying to figure out if I need anything else. I think that's it for now. I'm gonna try to go to like Michael's or something and find the rest of the supplies I need. So I'll catch you guys in the car. So crowded in the store, and I was like, you know what? Let me just get this stuff and go. I'm gonna put this in now because.
Come on.
Oh my god! Wait, it was open. Fresh mint. It's so paper thin. It almost looks like a sheet of plastic. And it gets sticky, and it disappears and they get stuck in my top of my mouth. Like candy, when it melts, it's so weird. It's definitely really strong and mint. There's a dog in the other. He's a good boy. He's not looking at nobody else, but going to Joann's first. Joann's. I see candles. They're pre-made candles. I see nothing for a mold. Joann's got me feeling like I'm in a jungle. I hate when people cough all in the air. I knew I should have went to Hobby Lobby yesterday when it was opened. Did I? No. Because I wanted to relax because it was raining. Now look at me. Step it up. I usually don't do this, but I'm gonna walk to the other side of this plaza and go to Michael's. I can't win. I love the leaves. Crunch, crunch. Hi, TV. Hi, TV. That should be fine. Really not that serious. I'm gonna get him some zinc ding dongs because he was craving those. And I'm gonna try to get some oatmeal cream pies because he was craving those too. So. Easy coming back to you. They don't have ding dongs. Is that what it's called? It's probably not what it's called. But they have oatmeal cream pie. I guess that's better than nothing. I love me some devil dogs. Let me know down below if which one is these is your favorite. Look at this pumpkin. These look so creepy. Oh, my hands really hurt. Oh my god. Here we are. Candle making. I'm just gonna get one of these. Oh my god, I'm so short. Okay. Alright, we got it. That's the only thing we needed. Alright guys, so I secured the goods. I'm on my way back to my car. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you are new here, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below. And if you're not new here, comment and like. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog and this little kind of shop with katana type of video. I just feel kind of awkward around people and cars. There's definitely somebody living back here. Living in the little shack of... Okay. That is my cute Serenaway. You know, if you guys want to see more vlogs with me, if not, I'll just keep doing them until you guys tell me to stop and do something else. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys when I make the soap, because I am going to record that. So yeah, see you soon. I'm so scary in these videos, but I just really need to be like, I'm recording but I'm not that good.
Mixing with the red, she the plug, she finesse, she the one they call the girl. She don't stress, she don't trip, and she fuck with all my bros. So it's
I gotta choose someone.